Hi everyone, I'm Allie.
I'm Bella.
And we are with PotomacBeads.com and PotomacBeads.eu. And we are excited as a family to introduce to you our latest Potomac exclusive member of the Potomac family, which is the
Halo bead.
So we're going to be looking at the halo bead today, and Bella actually is the first one that's going to do a video with the halo bead. The halo bead are 9.2 by 6.5 by 3.5 millimeter, and we have them in a variety of colors. We have them in the antique brass, the gunmetal, the copper, the gold, and then Bella's there. You want to put that over, and the silver. And there, how many holes are there?
There's some with one hole, like these, and then there's some with 2 holes, like these ones.
So with the 2-hole beads, you can actually have fun. Miss Anna played around with some beads working with the disc duos during one of the design live. Bella used the single hole in making her bracelet here that you'll be able to see. And the nice thing is they're going to be used with a lot of different beads. We had them manufactured high quality in Greece. They are Zamek, and we have them in those variety of colors. We started out with this 6 millimeter, which the interior is actually about a 6.5 millimeter, 6.2 to 6.8, and that allows most 6 millimeter beads to fit in. So if you're using a 6 millimeter disco, or disc duo rather, or a 6 millimeter glass pearl, there might be a little bit of variance in the actual size that you're working with them.
Right here, this one, it has 2 holes, so you'd be able to line it up right here, and so it can fit in there.
Yep.
Unlike this one, you can do other things, like it doesn't have to be pearls or a certain bead. It can be multiple beads.
Yeah, you could actually line up a couple different beads in there too that fit in that 6 millimeter space. So there's a lot of different options when it comes to the halo bead. We're really excited to bring this to you, to introduce this into the new Potomac family. We're selling them in packs of 10 and then in some bigger bulk packs of 50. Again, if you want to get any of them, they are available at PotomacBeads.com and PotomacBeads.eu. You can always get the link below the video near that like button. There's links to purchase from us online. As always, we are very excited to introduce to you new beads, new products, and new members of the Potomac's family. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and enjoy your chance if you get the halo beads.